Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see how to delete WhatsApp channel permanently using one of interesting tips and tricks. How to do it, we will see detailed demonstration on mobile screen. Before start the video, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. So now let's start as a mobile screen. So let's start as a demonstration. Simply open here WhatsApp application. This is my WhatsApp application and I just simply press here the bottom of the screen updates, and look at this here. I already created one WhatsApp channel, and if you want delete this WhatsApp channel, it's very easy. You can click here in this WhatsApp channel. If you are not following me here, please follow me here also. You can click the profile picture of the WhatsApp channel and look at this here, delete channel. If you click here, and after that you can very easily delete the WhatsApp channel permanently. Look at this here, channel will be permanently delete. Followers can be see post actively, but if you press here, so your WhatsApp channel is delete. So this is a simple tips and tricks to delete WhatsApp channel. If you really like this video, so please hit the bell icon, share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rock. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.